Hello, my name is Parker Jones, and this is just my demonstration of the My First Console application assignment. So I'll just start with the person class that we created. It simply just contains two strings, name and location. And the Glazer app, which is what we saw in the book, which is just inputting a width and height. The one thing that I added was just to write the line input width and then input height, because before it just had the coding to read the line and do all that, but we needed to prompt the user. And then the main part of the assignment is program class. I'll skip over the main so I can end with that, but we got the get username and location, which it just takes the person and it asks what their name is, and then it sets their name to whatever is put, and then it says hi name, where are you from? Then it reads that and sets the location to whatever they input that, and then they say I've never been to this place, all that fun stuff. Then we do the read key so that it waits for them to press a key to continue. The other class is the Christmas countdown, and it takes in a date and time. It writes today's date is, and we put in whatever was put in there. Date, time, Christmas date, so we just input whatever day Christmas is, and then date, time, today's date, which is we convert that to, or we take this date and we put that in there, and then we create the number of days and we minus the Christmas date from today date, and then we say, and then we just transfer that into an integer. Days till Christmas is the int version of number of days, and then we say there are this many days until Christmas. If we go back up to the main, what it does is it gets today's date so that we can put that in the Christmas countdown. But before we put that in there, we do the get username and location, then we do the Christmas countdown, then the Glazer app. And then at the end, we're allowed to, or we tell them to press any key to end the program, and we do that. So I'll show you how that works. We'll hit play. What is your name? My name is Parker. Hi Parker, where are you from? I am from Utah. I've never been to Utah. I bet it is nice. Press any key to continue. Today's date, 9/16/2022. There are 99 days until Christmas. Press any key to continue. Put a width, height, and it does all that fun stuff. And then we'll end the program now. So that's pretty much everything. Yeah, there we go.